Hello, Ahsan. Thank you for your question. And this is our famous dough mixer from Saliba Impasto. So this dough mixer, it's 200 liter. It's the biggest one of our mixer series that you can see. And this dough mixer, it has slow speed timer, fast speed timer. You have fast, slow, stop, and auto start. So this dough mixer, everyone calls me and asks me, "Was kostet?" How much? Cuánto? In every language. So this dough mixer, it costs 4,990 euros. And if you have any questions, you can call us at Gastro Team, and our number is plus 46 36 777 90 90. Thank you for your question.